Alright, so today we're going to take a look at what comes inside the box of the brand new FUJIFILM X-T5. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright, so let's jump right into it. So first, when we open up the box, we can see we have two QR codes. So one is for the user manual, and then the next one is to download the Fujifilm Camera Mode app if you don't already have it installed on your phone. So let's get inside the box. So first we can find some paperwork that we're just going to put aside for now. And then if we go right in there, we can find our Fujifilm X-T5. So we have it in the silver color. So we'll just put it to the side, and then we'll get into the inner box right here and then put this other box away. So what do we find in this box? Let's open it up. First we have a USB cable. So it is USB-C to USB-C, so that will be used to charge the camera, but also if you wanted to transfer images to your computer, for example. So let's put it to the side here. Next, we have a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, so that's for monitoring audio if you're doing some video recording. So let's have a look at it again. So 3.5 USB-C. Next, we have our camera strap. So the nice sort of premium feel looking strap. Let's just open it up and have a look at it. So as you can see, nice padded strap with the Fujifilm logo right here. So let's put that to the side here. All right. Next we have our power adapter, so that's USB-C. And then we have the various connections, so if you're traveling, that'll be useful. So we'll find the one we need for us. So it's the North American one. So that would be the one. And then we can simply connect it just like that, sliding it right here. And then of course we do have the other ones. So let's just take them out. Here. And then finally we do have the NPW235 battery right here. So let me reorganize this a little bit so we can have a view at everything that do come in the box. So let's just do a quick recap. So we do have obviously the Fujifilm X-T5. We have our nice padded camera strap. We have the NPW235 that will go in just like so. Here we have our USB-C to 3.5mm adapter for monitoring audio. So we'll just be connecting it through here and then connecting our headphones through that. And that will allow us to monitor audio. We do have a microphone input, a remote release input as well as a micro HDMI port right here. All right, so that wraps it up for this unboxing of the brand new Fujifilm X-T5. Now, did you order one yourself? Are you excited to get your hands on it? Let us know in the comments section down below. And until next time, c'était Francis pour les Fuji Guys.